Hello guys. How are you guys doing? I want to ask a question. This live program that I want to do now, I think I'm gonna do it on dark, or should I just turn on my camera to be showing me, or I should just ask my question? Can someone respond to my question? Like, I should add this program on dark, or it's fine? Hi, fine woman. Oh, be on dark. Okay, I should be on dark. Okay, you guys will share. Oh, it's a question that I want to ask. Good evening, Rita. How are you? How are you guys doing? Lovers of Mariam Justice, lovers of anyone you like. Okay, thank you. Lovers of truth, lovers of good faith, lovers of humanity. Thank you, Igbo. Share, because I want to ask a question. Share, and I want to respond. Please, you guys should share. Let's get to maximum good viewers, then I will start. Share. Nikem Jamedi hen life now did themselves. Share, Uchen Ike, how are you? Jenny Love, Legit Queen, Ike Chuku David, Oluchi Ella, Uche Nandi. Wow, that's my cousin's name. Rita, hi Rita. Hello guys, share this program please. Whatever I'm coming out to air here, you guys should be sharing it. The whole day I have spent my time online. Wow, doing what? Ihioma Johnson, doing what? Can you name me online the whole day? What are you doing? Good evening, my darling. How are you? Wayama Uju. Share to the market women and as wife and Ara. Because don't ask about forgiveness, so I can ask anything, okay? So it's all good. Whatever I'm asking. The only thing I need you guys to respond. My woman, good evening, Duchess. How are you? Isn't Nemo noted? Him Johnson, Onyekachi, Augustine, Jerry, Smith. Sorry, some of these Igbo names are Maruhamia. The pronunciation might not go well. Joe, but I'm still trying my best. Hi, baby. You're here again. My phone is 2%. My phone is 2%. Okay, that's fine. Did you guys pray? Since you came back from school, have you prayed? Why? You guys no longer do.
God, we do.
No, you can't say you forgot to pray. You need to. No, they're calling for prayer. What time? What? What time is it now?
Like,
what prayer are you supposed to do now?
oh,
Isha. Okay, go and do it. Go and do it, please. Do your ablution. Take your hijabi. Pray before going to bed, please. Okay?
Are you sure we can do that?
Yeah, of course. Now there's still time. Let me check. Wait, let me check. They're just calling for prayers now. Go, baby.
We don't know what time.
Yeah, but you can hear call for prayers. Go.
I don't know if it's the time to do Easter.
Yeah, it is. It is. Go and do it. Share because share to your neighbors. So share. Oh no, one last born, ma. This is my last baby. She's always watching from India. Jerry Morrison, how are you, my love? Ah, my darling, Macy Mike, my love. My sister, my beautiful sister, my kid sister, I love you so much. Okay, you are a sister from another mother. Guys, please share this program. Share, invite your friends, well wishers, lovers of good things, lovers of truth, lovers of justice. Share, please. Okay, I have shared. Okay, share, my darling. Share more. Keep sharing. Ish, papi. Wow. Now, I can. Wow, I really miss you. It's been long ago. It's been long we spoke. Came my dear. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy seeing good people on my page. And that's Zion. But I don't know who this name. I can't even remember what's this. Maureen, how are you guys? Because the share no come no share, invite more people. Come in case the whole thing they call see where they, at least uche onye ọbụla dịrịkwa ya Ogechi now. Akọwakwa another thing. And that once if I'm speaking, I'll be like mixing up Igbo and English. So if I'm speaking, I want, because I'm reading comments. I'm very much close to the phone, reading comments, so that I will know you guys' response and your own opinions. Okay, I'd agree to justice fighter. Justice fighter. I need the main justice in Loriani now. That time we will still agitate for the referendum. Now that time we do the main justice fight. So can now all just konyo wala, konyo la noro ofuma. Ka hapo omu he any dre na hapo. Hello, I love you guys, okay? So let's get more audience, then I'll just ask my question. Who the breed? Hi. Jimo chat. Oh wow. Because who the breed? It's funny anyway. Good evening, Adaibo. We love you. I love you guys. Nkonye Chiriya Zero. Lovers of good things, lovers of justice. I love you guys. No matter what, I can't keep up from you people. Okay, Chika Obi. Yes, Eunice. Onyebuchi. Yeah, Eunice Onyebuchi. That's this Franca Uche, Nkechi Bank. Wow. Then this is Jamie K. Wow, I'm really trying. I see your handwork. Pape. My beloved good brother. Because that guy na give me a letter. Wow, this is my beloved. My one and only. My one and only darling, my super brother, J-Pack, because Bob and I'm getting many events now. Go in a village, go in anywhere around the world, Abuja, anywhere, because J-Pack may make invites. I love your doings. I love from Kisa Bambo. I love everything about you. I like you and I love you as a brother. and I love your energy, your vibes. You are really trying. You are so much trying. Kisa coordinate all this Ndalibo Jemono, you know, all this Ndalibo Jemono. The way you coordinate with them, the way you roll with them, Iwonye Jagamba. Iwonye Jagamba J Park. Iwonye Jagamba. Ogaramba anụ ọkpọ juru anụ ọkpọ juru na akpa ya ọ ka o si mere ndị ọzọ ka ndị ọzọ ga-esi mere ya. I love you as a brother, okay? I love you. You are indeed a hero. So the question here is like this whole thing going on now about peace talk and how to resolve this case out of courts and the rest of them. So is it like if I accept this peace talk now, tomorrow now this same person will still come and continue doing this again to me? You know, she has different charges though, different charges though. I'm just talking about my own self. She has different charges, not just one charge. Different charges though. So I want you people to listen. She has different cases, different charges. Share this program, please. Share it. So it's not just one charge. Different issues coming up. Issue arise. So now if I said, okay, let me let go of this, is it tomorrow now this same person will come out, or those people that were hyping her before will still come and be say, we did it, I passed him this person aga ha nọrọ 24 hours there, I passed him no tata or she too, she'll say imaka ha say, you know, they talk different things. Is it tomorrow now they will come and start talking all these things and hyping her to do more again, or to cause more problem for me and her again? I don't just understand. So please, I really want wow, okigwem jemono, okigwe wamu, okigwem jemono. Without okigwe I can't. In fact, I for no date this life, you know. We know they carry last. Okigwem jemono. Una know na abia na ala Igbo niile, abia na Imo State, unu maka okigwe se emene now. So I love you guys, bikon. Is it tomorrow now? Is it tomorrow now they will come and start doing the same thing, recruiting others against me? You guys saw it. You guys saw how much I've suffered on this social media space, how they may have bullied me. Not just one person, no, different people. They organize people, they recruit people, different people here and there, to the extent they label me so many things: kidnapper, woman trafficker, child trafficker, scammer, one of the different things, radio, different things. Hey, so but many people are seeing all these things going on. No, la program, no, I'm having a call. Many people are seeing these things. They did not talk. They did not call us to settle us. But now the whole thing has resulted to this. Apart from other cases, so other cases soon on our home, this case is batch by batch. Different cases. This one is different, that one is different, this one is different, that one is different thing. I want you guys to understand that it's different things. Apart from my own. It's just that this issue now, this issue of me and her, palitere so many things, or palitere so many things. So that's why I said from the beginning, happen. I got married to Onya Awusa. Uno happen with my Onya Awusa. Can be well life. After all, many of you married to Ndocha and other tribes. You guys should leave me. Let me day my day. You guys should do your things and leave me. They don't want to leave me. Every day, Miriam. All of you are saying it, because tomorrow now they will say you're intimidating only Igbo Ibege. You're doing this. You're doing. You people are saying it. All of you are saying it. So what I'm saying here now is it after accepting this, if there is possibility of the acceptance, or tomorrow now the same person will still come out and start like this same bullying, or so say, after all, I told you, I got a man or here more than this, because this is, this is how they talk. Or they'll start saying contact, or they'll start talking nonsense. This is not all about contact. This is all about bring your evidence, all your charges, bring your evidence. Let the other person bring his own. Whoever you have case with, whether government or whether anybody, or let everybody come with whatever he will come with it to the court. So this is what I said. Let me ask you people: is it after this, if I accept this letting go of a thing, taking case out of court, is it tomorrow now start facing this thing, or we should continue going to this court, let everything end there, and let the whole thing end there? Because from the beginning, if actually they wanted this whole thing to end, many of these people who are coming out now would have called this same lady in order and said, okay, let me settle you people. Or when I gave her the audience, when the mom spoke and I accepted, they would have said, okay, stop this, accept this, let you people, make peace with you and this man, write it down, let her write it. Or one got chozibe, or one got basuzibe, or one got come to each other again. Everybody will go his way. But nobody did it. Even when we met at the Interpol, y'all wouldn't know with somebody that actually wanted this peace. She would have instead of there, kokwa another thing. She would have like, okay, please, let's iron this thing here. Onwe nke mere ge gbahara. Onwe kwene nke feel ni imere mo. We'll just apologize to each other if there is possibility of that. But she did not do it until now. Okwe ruele na court now, and now the whole call is like, forget this. How am I going to forget all these things now, of which I may do it tomorrow? Now the same person will continue. You people should help me to put him out, because at this point, I'm how to define this now. I'm here now. Is it something to accept, something not to accept? Still, other people are not there now. Bullying, and you know yourself. I'm gonna send this message out to you. Ima, a lot of you people now thinks that Nigerian stuff now is about bribing. Nigeria now got bribe, like when she was even out there, she was saying that with $1,000 I will give out police Nigeria is not like that. There is nothing like bribing in Nigeria. No. Now, if this is the impression many of you are giving Nigeria is not like that. Many of you that reside diaspora, if this is the impression you're giving Nigeria is not like that. There is nothing like bribe. If you want to cause this problem, like even make them accept this piece of a thing, you know, when Ebin or not cause a problem. Look, this thing, that place, that call you made. That call you made to my lawyer, I don't want to say this here, but you know what I'm talking about. And I told me here, that call you made to my lawyer, reference of him and him now, you know it. Like kamga calm down. Another thing. You know what I'm saying? Don't stop that. So Nigeria that you people think is all about emenka okwebie moeponya isinka okwebie. You have to stop. You know what I'm saying? And them and I'm actually could this thing here. So stop it. Yawuruna ichoroka this girl mana make a peace in actual, even you yourself, you will even like, okay, let me get in touch with this person by myself. Let me look for this person by myself, or let's do it like this. You think it's all about what you said, what you sent somebody to tell my lawyer? Do you think it's all about that? Oh, I am chori unu. Manda na edi ikpo ndi jikesa. Manda na manka na agwa lawyer mu. Nkobunu any message from anybody is getting to my ear. I don't understand how you people are handling this case. Any case, anything, anything, mandana akpakpo, mandaka ga akpakpo, mandana ayo biko, bia yo wonya, my destiny is the mad lawyer. Somebody called and that message, let me tell you something, it's getting to my ear. It's getting to my ear. Because Nigeria, I want to think it is not just Nigeria of what you guys are thinking. Tomorrow now, I come again make a dossier. Why were you people hyping this girl? Continue, do this, do that. Yana make all sort of things when I na hype ya. Onye ga sifi bia ne bakwa break o batukwa break zutukwa ike ne stop too from here. Ne batu break amadi na emege ni onwe ebe imege ihe ruo. I mean, you wote egwu you know no ogbo na agba egwu, they no go tell you when to leave this stage. You know no carry nsogbu adi. That is what it is. But you people will watch her doing all these things. Onye ga shifu ni ibe ya nne happen. And I watch mad or na guy straight or na so many things. Now this case, this arrest now, Padiela, so many things. So many things. So many things though. So many things. That this thing at the end of the day, oh, could come affect one does. Nobody knows. Uno makeshe ekpe case. Ekpe here, akochata here, akochata there, ana ekpe na aga. So oyane una ahụlani yana onye pụta n'ihu akwụkwọ kama mmadụ ga-respect onwe mewe nke ọ na-eme ga-amasị ya na machịkwa ndị ụwa asị na ọwụ ịkọ nonsense onye a ga na-akọ. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Real people are out there making their money. Some people are not here na name okuloka, and okuloka, when okuloka start, okuloka leads to so many things. It doesn't make sense. This thing in that way gara, that route gara. You know yourself. I'm not gonna mention them, and I'm not gonna call anybody's name. And I know my reason I'm not gonna call. But in my neku, stop warrior. Stop onye ahụ ịma na m na-ekwu na gị nwa m onwe gị sọsọ gị nwa m onye maara. Stop ya. Don't go that ya ahụ idire mmadụ gwa my lawyer. Ekwukwele ya again so that it will not be used against you. Don't do that. Ihe unu ga-eme ụka a ga-eshi wee mejie ha ọwụhụ ịma na achọghị m ikwu ihe ahịa. And the mistake unleme right from Mboke self first arrest. Onye obula kpọrọ call na here. I would definitely know because all case him. Onye ona kpọrọ call na this case I would definitely know. That's why mba refer mba si aga na office, the first office ogara na kesa na ogara. She doesn't even know that mba ho na office ah. She doesn't even know that mgbe ahụ ọ nọ na reception n'office ahụ di m nọ na n'ime office with that son. She doesn't even know. Ọwụ gịnị agwara m unu ebe ọwụla akpọrọ call na this case m ga-amata ebe call ahụ shi. And ndị niile na-akpọ call na this case ha hụ some of these things. Onwe onye obi na-adị mma na the whole thing. There is something in this life. Even when they get some things that get and those things or it's not that okay. You talk to that your one and like one name stop all here. Stop all this thing. One name selata tuaka. Bam bam tim tibo lezobola. Onwe ha ebe ọ na-aga. How can you say you hate it when I talk too much? I'm talking important thing. You're telling me you hate it. How many times are you seeing me coming on live? You don't know that this time is, you don't expect me to be that much quiet. You used to see me. Am I implicating anything? I'm not implicating anything. I will block you here if you don't want to listen because it's your type tomorrow now. Okunuma ga-apụta kwuna agaghị ama ka eshi were mee peace emere or ka eshi were iron or issue. The same you people will start hyping and saying akwagram na onye agaghị anọ this onye within 2 days or within gịrị akwa ikwuru m nke ọzọ wụna na hype kwa onye before you know it onye ahụ ebidokwa that same crime that same problem. I mean that same thing causekwara problem onye ahụ ebidokwa ya. Now you're here saying you don't want me to talk too much. They said they want to give you more BP. Yes, now the more they say those things, the more na abalaha utulum no sonam na agba shikwa ike. Yes, the more they are saying they want to give me BP. Oto ọ na-ekwu ya ala ya gaga ya mem nke ọzọ, threatening even to kill me. So what makes you people think na the more na on asikola oge mem nke what makes you think that aga m agbashikwa ike na agakwa more to authority? Ọ pụtakwuo those things oge ekwu the next day ma agbakwara na aga lekwekwenụ look at it o threat ọkwara na m ya ala okwu okwele na ya ala oge mem nke ọzọ. So it's normal. It's normal. It's normal. You people will be in your platforms. This same person answerable. Now happy ga kotewe problem. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Now so many things is coming up. You guys are seeing it. Onwe kwen ke boro mmadu ebube, o we jide evidence. Ga zawa ihe ahụ ihuru, anything ihuru. Go and answer it. That is what it is. So my question, I won't be accept this piece of a thing tomorrow now. Tomorrow now they will start saying another thing. Tomorrow now, my fear is putting me inside this trauma again. Putting me inside this trauma again. That's my fear. I need to be blocking all these people now be this girl a problem here. Una cause other liar different problem. Yes, and you guys are sitting at your own comfort zone. Sitting at your own comfort zone. Being happy, relaxing. Ride on. Continue. Ride on. Continue. Ride on, continue. Ride on, continue. You should ride on and continue and look at where the whole thing is today. And let me tell you, authority. Authority ahụ ebe mmadụ ga-anọrọ ya sị na m chọrọ ịga nwewe case. Because authority is where you go. Edigwe. Ọ ga-afọ ndị authority dig ka isi wee ga toilet, clean up your body. That is it. Oya ka na-akpọ investigation. Emewe onye ahụ investigate. So, biko onye ọwụla kwere onwe ya ugwu. You must not be staggering people more than putting pains on people more to get when them mad hashi before people will come to your platform. I know when I was agitating for Biafra referendum, I'm come share and views and when shares. Even when I was talking about things going on in the country, I know how I used to generate views, shares, and all those stuff. I've never monetized any of my pages, but I just feel happy doing whatever I'm doing. But now I don't longer do those things. I'm not still worried because the page is just there. You come there, whatever you see, you watch. If you don't want to watch, you move. You go to where it's happening. So that is it. You guys should use more of your time to do other stuff. It mustn't be It mustn't be only fighting or because ogi bidoro. Ogo la mmadụ bidoro. Ana ama ngwụcha ogo. That's why it's not good. You can never know the end of whatever thing you start. Only when it ends. That's the problem. Ginwa onye nke nwoke not there. You're supposed to help this issue, but you're not being helpful. You're not being helpful. Even when I was talking to the person I was talking to on phone, on your phone on a speaker, I was hearing everything you're saying. Or Ogechi man, ya wouldn't need to image on there. Gives you one-on-one, talk to her. When the Ogechi one-on-one standing there with me, ya wuruna more maga her. She pushed me to the wall. Ya wuruna agama like that. No matter what. Let's be real to each other. I wouldn't make sense. I'm not a devil. I'm not a devil. But many of you are seeing me like one. All we know is so because as you guys can see, a lot of peace talk is going on ground right now since day before yesterday. So whichever way it results, you guys results on making up the whole thing, resulting to ironing the whole issues. So obidokwe again makwara that na this thing donye ebidokwele again. So this is what I'm here to tell you people. You guys should watch. Put your eyes down and watch. Because me, I'm like, Erechina, onya wekurike, ya ga di one day mad. Onya na wekurike, ya ga di other people. You guys should go and be megide wonya. Because I've learned a lot of lessons on this social media. To be honest, you know why some people always remain where they are? When they don't learn their lesson, when they don't understand how life works, when they don't know when to stop and when to change and when to be a better version of themselves and when to learn more and upgrade to the next level. Many people don't know that. But me, in this social media space, I've learned, I have seen, in fact, I have upgraded on so many things. I have learned that first and foremost, there is rule of law. And there is more to humanity. I've learned that. So whatever thing I speak, I don't just come at bua and start talking what I know that I will implicate myself. Even if you guys watch how I'm talking, you know that yes, there are places I will just like put it the way I will put it. If you understand, fine. If you don't understand, I will not break out everything to the knowledge that you must understand that this is where she's heading to. But if it's smart, you will know what I'm saying. So please, this is it. This is right now. This is what is going on ground. If I'm accepting this peace talk, now somebody will start. In as much as I know, it has to be undertaken, written down, and tomorrow now somebody will start saying that, or now I will not accept it. So case, case end there, let it end there. Because it's not only my case, so also case. This thing that you guys are seeing here now is not only my case. It's not my case. There's a lot of cases, different cases. It's not just my case. But as the whole thing is now, if I accept this peace, the whole thing may just end end, only them know how it will end. But if I accept it, all how Ogechi will end there. Because I'm not the authority. But the thing going on is for me to accept yes or no, accepting or not. So, but what I'm asking you people, if what I'm saying now, if I accept today now, that will not stop them from their cases with others. It depends on how other people wants to relate with their issues. And as well, she has case with the government. That one is left for the government to know how they will treat their case. It's not me that will decide for them how to go about their own case. I'm talking about my own case, my own. You people should understand though, my own case. She has case with government, she has case with different individuals. I'm talking about my own case. If I said, okay, let's go now, I hope tomorrow night she will not come and start with me again. Because that is what is ongoing now. About the peace talk is ongoing. So guys, this is why I'm here. So you guys should take care and take note of all these things, because everything happens to the hearing of all of you and in the eyes of all of you. Everything happened, but the people behind her are worsening. The main person who is soliciting for this peace, you will be there sending someone for this peace. To the extent, you know what I tried to tell you a few seconds ago, and I don't want to mention it here until we keep going. But the more you continue with this hand that you went, they will definitely use it against you. I'm just telling you this. So you need to be very, very careful. So if really you want this thing you're sending for, and you still come out here and be acting a different thing, you will not be adding pepper in inside your garri. You will not be adding pepper inside your garri. You will learn how to play very well, and make sure you do it, and once and for all you do it. Not tomorrow now you start saying other things, recruiting other people to come and start doing things that are not proper. Let me read comment a little bit. Madam, don't make peace with her. You don't really know Ogechi and her team. Why saying don't forgive her? I don't know at this point. They are fake peace seekers, only looking for a means for fugitive to leave. Okay, please tell Mariam. Oh, let her. I got also like this. This woman is very weak. And I don't understand. Sure, this woman is very weak. But Mbad kwan week give about yawuru then again my mad active give about men are mad active. Sorry you guys, you know I speak my real dialect. I speak my real like real asuso bodom. That's what I speak. So I guess you people him na so understand. Because anuma aburo moya nambra amaro panam case asibo Igbo. Iwa nambra mim na say Igbo village. Madam Shehu, I will create a page and come out. Do jajaja. Also, madam, can you hear jajaja was if I hear again? If you hear peace, you come and do jaga you too. You come and do gene. Yauma, you come and do saga for me. It's not. I'm Adam here the guy here. Yeah, even if you want to come and fight me, the issue not there. I'm used to all this bullying stuff. Or not the same anything, but it's just that some of this thing has to stop. So guys, now. Mariam, don't be weak. Oh. Weak, I'm not weak now. Is it weak on this case? Go weak on get. Mommy, please accept. We really love you. Oh, so my woman they love nka because you know kutrem no You know kutrem no all the get enough. It's somewhere by na gashi I ain't got wire. I rude there. I thank better ye be where there. You know kutrem no. But it's all good. It's all good. Mariam Justice Biko no grill. Hey, Mariam Justice Biko no grill. The thing they would come somehow. In my oje like a lot has been done. A lot has been done to me. But so all these things still had mind. Say okay. Get by here. Even do you know my no be I was like thinking yahum na the interpol oga sinne ngwa biko get end there here gbara and a lot of people were there. Echem mo ihe oga say at that time ne ngwa biko gbahara. I'm like okay. Yakuda na mgbahara to enwe m ike consider ya but ya ha nọrọ there ya dey undertaking adọ ya aka na ntị hapụga ọnya hapụga nwaanyị ka oge hapụga nwaanyị with ụwa ya biwe ụwa nke gị because me I promised myself onwe ebe m ga-je gị je gbaga ọsọ kpọọ ya aha in my life again ya nwakwana ya hapụ m aka you know so ya with the thing. That's what I was thinking. That's what I thought. But when I came, on our one end near Kanokwara, yeah, the Konya Chore Bamog self, you know, but luckily the authority not there. So a kukwenke onyo na gasha. Madam, you don't know tomorrow. Madam, you are dealing with hardened criminal. Wow. Madam, why are you expecting a peace talk at this stage? Yem na bia gu no we here na emegene ma the problem meji I like e puta life awo ana akọ una na akọ bi una na share ha ndị mmadụ una na share kwa program. Do you know what? Mbom ji ba politics kamara that na enye hụrụ so many people ga-apụta zọọ ọchịchị baa n'ime ụlọ na-anyara nwa esi ha ọwụ ka ha si were yuzuo like ka ha ngashi na common man ka was the masses ka how do I put it ka ha si were yuzuo people mgbe a ga-abịa ha ga na-akọkwa ahụ ha na-akọ ndị mmadụ a na-ege ahụ ha na-akọ na-emekwa ihe ha chọrọ then some of them ba n'office all those things ekwuru ahụ a ga-eme onwe nke a ga-emezi again after another some years bịakwa the same thing ndị mmadụ ege ha ntị. So I come to realize that ma n'ihu akwụkwọ a is a place that people go after na-ekwu ihe ha na-ekwu. A lot of people will be believing them. A lot of people will be believing what they are saying. Manke we shoku manke washa, and mostly people are gonna okwu awo ya, but there are a lot that will be believing what they are saying. So yem na guno na awen bom jisunu na accept all mo peace or maybe him accept, but yem na guno if it eventually happens like that, share any programmer. Now kuna ga matter that na ekukure mi eku. Because if I respond to this call today, by tomorrow I na end the hearing or worry undertaking. If I respond to this call tomorrow, maybe that same tomorrow or next tomorrow I na end the hearing or worry undertaking. But yam jawuno okwerechi na she'll still come out and be doing more, or she'll still come out and say more. Because in my case now, we have bulletary so many things. Now we have bulletary so many things, and the more things are coming up, and more people are coming up, are still coming to table their own case. So this is what I'm saying. That's why in all you're at your comfort zone. When limitation of anything you're doing, because when you can just because of there, I bet me investigate. Authority me investigate. Onwe nke no ebe ono ana abolite share ana ekwu ya ana akpa ya wuru okwu. So biko ụmụ Igbo anyị niile wụkwanụ ofu ma wụrụkwanụ ụmụnne Igbo wu Igbo, but onwe hem na realize ebe ndị Igbo nọ. Ndị Igbo, some of ndị Igbo wo ndị na-ejikwa aka ha emegide ibe ha, in the sense that I don't know why this thing is so common within Nandi Igbo. I don't really know why. But bikon ka anyị jiri ya nwayọ. I know what I'm saying. Ka anyị jiri ya nwayọ, bikon. Ka anyị jiri ya nwayọ. Bikon Igbo nọ n'ihu akwụkwọ. Ka ejiri ya nwayọ. Ka mụ na gị na ndị ọdọ, all of us, ka anyị jiri ya nwayọ, bikon. I know why I'm saying this. Ụwa ọ dịchaghị okay like onye nọrọ ya wụrụ na pro ihe dịra gị mgbe ọbụla gị na mmadụ a na-ekwugharị different cases, different problem, different issues. Ego ị ga-eji were mee ihe dị mkpa ga-ewere na-aga agba onwe gị bel, ma ọ were na-aga higher court lawyer, ma ọ were na-aga eme another thing is not right. Please. Uwe ojii with ụlọ ikpe anwụghị ebe mmadụ nọrọ ya sị ọha ebe na-agụ maka ngawa ya. Ọnwụ ebe mmadụ nọrọ mmadụ a na-achị ihe awa ebe na-agụ m, ego ahụ ị ga-eji gaga tuelo ya ga-were genye ndị agụrụ na-agụ nni, you know. But sometimes you don't have any choice than burukwe case gawakwa there, because onye ọwụla gbagara n'etu authority wa onye chọrọ peace and onye chọrọ ịdị safe. So bikon nke onye chiri ya zero, achọrọ m ka unu mata time to time ga na-apụtakwa na-enye tukwu unu little update. Unu ma this thing is not like me, it's not my thing that eme obere ihe onye apụta na-ekwu ya na-agba egwu like she does. Onwe ndị ihe ndị onye ihe a ga-eme na ụmụ oge in fact ọ ga-afụrụ yi were microphone ka micro gịnị nwa na-broadcast ya as like a live here ebe a na-akụ ogele. You know, you guys know I'm not good at that, but then I'm gonna enye sunu little updates, just little updates, little otamputa kwuo nke ugba mme, and eventually ana mmere accept peace a ọkwa nwunye eru echi ya pụtakwa ya mewekwe m same thing. So nke wụkwa pụtakwa mewekwe same thing, unu na onwe unu ga-ejikwa anya unu hụ ya. Mgbe ahụ people abịa blame why madam, why you can't agree, why you no carry the case, unu metụpụ ya na court, you know. But all I know is authority dị ihe ọ na a na-end both my authority, both my peace. Ọ ga-awụ ihe undertaking onye achara onye. But a lot of things they were on ground, a lot of cases. But you say you're fighting for Igbos. Of course now, am I not fighting for Igbos? Or do you look at the Igbos I'm fighting? Otubano. You know man oburu so someone ka o mere ihe. O mere many people in different ways. She has issue with different people. Apart from what you guys are seeing on police here today, on police page today, nke we issue here and the government with whatever that is involved on that. But there are individual issues. So, but with this thing now, with this level of eba okwano now, I don't think na ya putakwa. Oga continue kwa na emetekwa some of those things. You and I were iji were kporo ya gawa authority. That's what I'm saying. The problem with you guys don't want truth. Many of you don't want truth. All you want to all you guys want to eba na kwashir, eba ana esoku, eba na bamba, eba na log. You people will just go there listening. Single truth, you guys don't want it. I don't think if she after hearing that now, echikwa, she will still do more. Ihe mmadụ ga-eji level of case that if you have with someone, when you get to some stage, you will just forget that person and move on. Even tomorrow, the person will not even have mind and said, okay, let me push this into authority for authority to settle loss. There's a limit. You go with someone, the person will like, okay, this thing doesn't worth it. Like this kidnapper that she labeled me. So many people on this social media have labeled me a kidnapper. But it's not something that I will start taking them. Is it when somebody say a kidnapper or you're a prostitute or this, tomorrow you start taking the person to because this is common abuse. They're abusing me. Tomorrow you start taking the person to court of law. But there's a limit, a limitation of somebody will push you that you have to go there. So that they'll go in between the two of you. And the person will know that, yes, there is rule of law. There are things that you cannot just do. So it's not just when people talk you. There's at least when she goes there and when she comes back, I don't think she will still remain that same person. I think she has so many talents in her that she can use that talent and do more than every day, different allegation, different labeling of stuff, different things, and nobody will question her. And soon I will start calling out. It's soon there will be a way they will push me. Anybody that is involved on this case, that from the one, those people they are sending and up to now, I will start calling their names. And I will come here and ask them, why is it that when she was doing this and that, apart from her case with the government, when she was doing this and that, why didn't you people stop her? I will start asking those people. I think there will be a time like this. The time will come. I will start mentioning their names and ask them. Or does it mean you people does not know what she's doing? Then why are you coming for same case? Why didn't you question her that time? Does it mean that some of you derive joy in seeing her causing pains on? You don't know that what they did to me. If I'm not like a strong, very strong woman, I know myself. I'm a very strong person. So this kind of a thing will lead somebody to commit suicide. Because I'm very strong. I'm very, very strong. That I'm like, if I should die now with what these people are doing to me, who will I leave my children for? In as much as they are pushing me to die, I'll be pushing myself to live for the sake of my children. In as much as what they are doing to me is affecting me physically, mentally, health-wise, and everything. That's why I took all of them to where they are today, to the court of law. I took all of them to where they are today, to the court of law, so that the law will judge me and them, because the whole thing is affecting me. It's affecting me. In as much as they want me dead by doing all these things to me, for me to commit suicide, for me to go through depression and die. But I'll still be strong, because if I leave my children now, who will take care of these 4 kids for me? So definitely they will push people to where they will go to. So guys, please, I love you guys, love each and every one of you. I just come here to update you people about this peace, whatever that is going on. Yes. Madam, leave anything about Igbo here. Don't mind them. Also, the issue is comments are coming up. Madam, can you stop talking, please? You don't want to hear my voice again. That's fine. I'm even done. So it's all about the peace talk, okay? And I don't know how it's gonna end. I don't know. But you people should just put your eyes down and keep watching. I don't know how this thing is gonna end. If I tell you I know, I am lying to you. I don't know. So far, I don't know. So far, I don't know. So far, I don't know. But you that is sending for this peace talk, you're not representing well. You come out there, you'll be doing a different thing. You go inside there, you'll be doing a different thing. It's okay. I love you guys. I'm gonna end this program, okay? So, onye maso ya so n'ikwe mana na enwere ebe eji problem aga. You can't take problem anywhere. You can't take problem anywhere. Rather than problem will take your time and deprive you from your comfort zone and so many things. Madam, you're not strong. A woman that has whipped your axe for so many years instead of you to take action. Okay, I don't know which other action you want me to take again. I don't know. That's why I'm just because I updated you guys. This is the level of peace talk. Now you guys are saying I'm not strong. So I don't know what else you guys want me to do. Is it not to accept the peace, or is it to accept the peace? Yeah, but I'm just giving you guys updates. I did not tell you people my mind. Madam, you know strong as we think. Achọrọ m ego come. The mother self. Achọrọ m ego comment type, but the comment apụọla. Also, madam, you know strong as we think. I don't know how else do you want me to be strong. Giga mena giga luna comes well on now. Law comes well golden. Did you know what these people were throwing at me? And they really made a mistake. Those things they were throwing at me made me to share long and say no. We will see the end of this. Those things they were throwing at me. If they were not throwing those things, everything can't go easy. But they were throwing things at me. She will still go there. They are throwing those things. Be talking, throwing more. No one answer. So if coming here to update you people, the little I can, that is going on now. So I think I will keep you guys. I will not update you people again. Just now because the case is my case. Apart from this whole thing that is going on, that you people are seeing, my own case is what I'm saying. If I don't update you people about my own case, but it's okay, it's fine. You guys should take it, okay? I'm gonna end it here. I love each and every one of you. I love you guys, and it's good that you guys are getting little updates. So, Mr. Man, iga maki do the whole thing in order. You know what I'm saying. Take care, guys. Igbo, Jishinike, I love you guys. Gonye chiri, yazere. We are one blood, one family, no matter what. Igbo.